Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to share with you how to make this really quick and easy creamy chicken pasta. I actually ended up having some leftover chicken thighs and I wanted to actually make it in a pasta and see how it turns out. Also, my brothers have literally been craving for me to make a pasta dish, so I decided to just make something really quick and easy. So to make this dish, all you need is a couple ingredients. So here I have some chicken thighs, double cream, some garlic, onion, and also the pasta. So for the seasonings on the chicken thighs, I kept it really simple. I started off by seasoning it with 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, some Cajun seasoning, and then I finished it off by adding in a teaspoon of chili flakes and a teaspoon of salt. Also, for you guys watching this, if you do have any recommendations on the best type of spices that I should add to chicken, then definitely let me know, as I'd love to try new spices to add to my chicken rather than the ones I always use. Once chicken is marinating on the side, I decided to add some onion to the dish, so I cut up the onions and I also minced the garlic. Also, just to bring out a really nice garlic flavour, I added in some freshly cracked black pepper and I followed it by adding in some fresh lemon as well. I'm also thinking, if I do plan to make a garlic pasta, probably with mushrooms next time, I'm definitely gonna roast the garlic in the oven beforehand. So now for the next part, in a hot pan, I added in some olive oil and followed it by cooking the chicken. I cooked the chicken on a medium to high heat for a minute on one side until it has that really nice brown colour, and then I copied that same process again on the other side of the chicken. And then once the chicken is flipped over and cooking for a minute on the other side, I simply fold it by adding on the lid, and then I continue cooking the chicken for 8 to 10 minutes on a medium to low heat. The best thing I would recommend for cooking chicken thighs though is to definitely cut the pieces into smaller pieces. Like I explained in my previous video, if you are someone who is new to cooking chicken, especially all chicken thighs, I recommend that you first start off by cooking the chicken in smaller pieces. So as you can see in the video, the chicken pieces are a lot smaller. I ended up cutting these in smaller pieces after around 5 minutes of the chicken cooking. It just allows the chicken to cook better for me personally, as I don't really like cooking in big pieces. And the chicken is going to end up being cut in small pieces anyway, so might as well just cut it smaller while it continues to cook. So after my 8 to 10 minute timer went off, and I was happy with how the chicken looked inside, I simply removed it from the pan, chopped it in small pieces, and then in the same pan which I cooked the chicken in, I continued that by cooking the onions. After the onions have been cooking for around a minute, I followed it by adding in the minced garlic. And I literally allowed the onions and garlic to cook together for only a couple minutes on a medium to low heat, as I didn't want it to burn. And then once the onions started to become slightly soft, I followed it by adding in the double cream. Also, I would say in most of my videos, especially when it comes to pasta, I do use double cream for my pasta dishes. But I think from next time I'm going to start using single cream. I have only just started to realise that double cream may be too heavy for a pasta dish, especially with adding cheese and the pasta water. So I'm going to try single cream next time and see how that turns out. So as you just seen in the video, after adding in the double cream, I just added a little bit of paprika just for a little bit of colour and a little bit of taste. And I also ended up adding in some all-purpose seasoning as well. Also, as soon as you're adding your cream, make sure that your heat is low, as you don't want it to start bubbling and becoming too thick. Another tip which I'll give you guys is to definitely cut your chicken into smaller pieces. I feel like the pieces that I cut them out were way too big for the pasta, so definitely cut them a lot smaller. Also, the chicken mixed with the cream was definitely becoming very thick, so I just added in the pasta water, which is literally the boiled pasta water, which you boil the pasta in. Literally that water, you just add it in and it makes it more loose. I literally finished off this dish by adding in penne pasta, and I followed it by adding in cheese. As always, I use cheddar cheese. I finished off the dish by garnishing it with some parsley, and to be honest with you guys, that is literally how to make the most quickest, easiest creamy chicken pasta dish. Also, just to mention, if you don't have chicken thighs, I would recommend that you use chicken breast instead, as chicken breast goes a lot more nicely with pasta in my opinion. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do make this dish, then definitely show me, as I'd love to see it, and I'll see you in my next one.